Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Srinivas from Maths faculty. Let us go to today's class. So we are discussing about percentages topic. Yes, percentages and simple interest. So we discussed a few of the problems. Let us go to the remaining problems. Okay. Yeah. Now today we are discussing from problem number 5 onwards. Problem number 5. Let us see this. Yeah. So the question number 5 is principal value is 7,500. Yeah, principal value is given 7,500 and rate of interest, rate percent per annum is 16. Rate percent per annum is 16 percentage and we need to find out the value of simple interest at the time of 2 years 3 months. At the time of 2 years 3 months. I told you already, whenever the time is given, the time is always in years, not in months. If it is given in months, we need to convert into years. That means 2 years as it is, we can write months. I am converting 3 months out of 12 because for 1 year 12 months. So both cancel in 3 table. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So it is like mixed fraction converting to improper. So 3 twos 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4 is the time. 9 by 4 years. Okay now? Now simple interest formula I is equals to PTR by 100. Substitute the values. P value is 7,500 into time is 9 by 4. Rate of interest is 16 by 100. So denominator 100. So denominator 2 zeros, numerator 2 zeros cancel. And 4 table in 16 4 times. So what are the remaining values? 75 into 9 into 4. Okay now? We know that 75 fours are 300 into 9. That is nothing but 2,700. Okay now? 2,700. Now let us go to the next problem. So problem number 6 is given that the sum of 4,800 rupees is deposited in a bank for 4 years. How much money? 4,800 for the time of 4 years. So time is given in years only. We are no need to change. Okay. Now for simple interest of 6 1/4% per annum, then simple interest. So rate of interest is given 6 1/4%. 6 1/4 is mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction, it will be 25/4. Now let us identify the simple interest. Same formula, PTR by 100. Now I am not writing the formula, direct substitution. P value 4,800, T value 4 years, rate is 25/4 and denominator is 100. So numerator 4, denominator 4 cancel, numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros cancel. That is equals to 48 into 25. Okay now? Now I am writing this one 48 as 12 fours. 12 fours are 48 into 25. 4 25s are 100. 100 into 12 is 1200. Okay now? Yeah. Let us go to the problem number 7. The 7th problem is the Ramesh saves 25% of petrol for every month. How much percentage? 25% of petrol is saving for 1 month. And also given that if he saves 20 liters per month, actually he is saving 25% per month and 20 liters per month. That means 20 liters is nothing but 25%. What is the consumption of that person for 1 month is 100%. Let us take that consumption is 100%. From that 100% is just saving 25%. So we need to identify the 100% value. So 100 means more by less into 20. cancel both of them in 5 table, 5 fours and 5 fives, or directly we can cancel 25 table in 100 4 times. 4 into 20 is nothing but 80. So for 1 month consumption of petrol for him is 80 liters. Okay na? Let us go to the problem number 8. The 8th problem is, after deducting of 8% of bill amount, here 8% is deducting from bill amount, he has to pay 230 rupees. This is the after deducting of 8%. Okay na? Then the value of the original bill. So let us consider the original bill is 100%. Original bill is 100%. After deducting of 8% is paying 230 rupees. That means 100% minus 8%, 92%. So after deducting 8%, 92% amount will be there. That is 230. We need to identify the 100%. So obviously 100% is more than 92% into 230. 23 table 10 times and 4 times. 23 table 10 times and 4 times. 4 table in 100 25 times. So 25 into 10, 250. Okay, 250 rupees is the original bill amount. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 9. Ninth problem. That is given. The problem is the simple interest on sum of 73,000. Sum of 73,000 means principal amount is 73,000 at the rate of 24% per annum. At the rate of 24% per annum, but the time is given from one date to date. What is the time here? 12th February 1971 here, 1991 to 30th September, that means 3991. Try to find the values, but here time is given in the days, but time always in years, right? So first of all, check the year. Both are having the same year, 1991. 1991 is leap year or not, we should check. Leap year not, we should check. Okay? Yeah. So while you're observing here, 2 is month of February. So February month, how many days? In the non-leap year, it is 28 days. Leap year is 29 days. 91 is non-leap year. So we have to take 28 days. So 12 plus 28. 12 plus 16 will be 28 days. So February month 16 days interest we should calculate. So next March. Month of March there are 31 days. April month 30 days. May 31. June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30. Here we found up to September only. Count number of days. When you count all of them, you will get that answer 230 days. Okay, na? So time is 230 days. Now time we should convert into years. For non-leap year, number of days is 365. Non-leap year number of days is 365. So time we should take it as 230 by 365. Now simple interest. Let us try to find simple interest. That is I is equals to PTR by 100. Principal value 73,000 into time 230 by 365 into rate. Rate is 24%. Do cancellation in 5 table both of them. 5 4s 20 and 5 6 are 30. 46 times cancel. Here 5 table 5 7s 5 3s 73 times. 73 in 73,000 times. So what are the measurements here? So remaining values 1000 into 46 into 24. 46, 24 you multiply and multiply with 1000, you will get the answer. Okay, no? You just do it. The answer you will get is 11,040 rupees. 11,040 rupees. Let us go to the problem number 10. Yeah, 10th problem. The David scores 450 score out of 600. He got 450 marks out of 600. We should express in percentage form. I told you already, anything or any fractional number or any normal number converting into percentage, we need to multiply with 100%. We need to multiply with 100%. Now 100 in 600 6 times. Now 6 table in 45, 6 sevens 42, 6 fives 30. So this is 75%. David's score is 75%. Let us go to the problem number 11. The 11th one, 1440, nothing but 1440 rupees amounts to, this money amounts to 1584 in 3 years 4 months. Time is 3 years 4 months. Okay, na? Yeah. On simple interest only. Then what will be the, then what will 920 rupees amount to 5 years? 920 rupees amount to 5 years at the same rate of interest. 920 amounts to 5 years at the rate of, at the same rate. Okay, no? So first we need to identify the rate by using this. We know the principal value and amount also. To identify the interest, interest is equals to amount minus principal. Interest equals to amount minus principal. Amount value 1584 minus principal amount 1440. Subtract both of them, we will get 144 rupees. Okay, this is interest. Now to identify the rate, interest formula we know PTR by 100. Okay, na? But principal value 1440. Time is 3 years 4 months. 3 years 4 months convert into years. It will be 3. Yeah, it will be 3 4 by 12. Nothing but 1 by 3. So 10 by 3. Time is 10 by 3 and rate we should find divided by 100 equals to 144. Except the rate remaining all transposed towards right hand side, then we will see this. That is equals to 144. This denominator when you transpose that side is going to multiply 100 and both of them are dividing. That means 1440 into 10 by 3. Okay, so 0 0 cancel, 1440 here also same. 144 into 10 is nothing but 1440 only. What is remaining still? Rate. So rate is 3%. Rate is 3%. Now we should take the rate is 3% here. Then we should identify the interest or amount value for 5 years. Now interest PTR by 100, P into T into R by 100. So numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel. 5 table in 10 2 times cancel. Let me write the remaining values one more time. 92 into 3 by 2. So 2 table here 46 times. 46 3s are. So 340 is 120, 3 6 are 18, 138 rupees. Therefore the amount equals to 920 plus 138. So this is 1058 rupees. Okay, no? Answer is 1058 rupees. So please note that. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah. The next problem is question number 12 is nothing but what sum is lent out of 6.25% per annum. So rate of interest is 6.25% and produces the same simple interest in 5 years. Produces the same simple interest. So interest is same in the both of the conditions. For 5 years as 1800 rupees lent out at 1800 rupees is lent out at 4% and 2.5 years. Okay, na? Yeah, same simple interest in 5 years as 1800 lent out for 4% in 2.5 years. Your time is 5 years. Okay, na? We don't know the value of principal, but here the condition is given for this principal and this principal will give the same interest system. So interest are equal for both of them. Interest are equal for both of them. I am just comparing the interest. So, but before that, just convert the 2.5 years into improper fraction. It will be 5/2. According to the problem, interest are same. Interest are same. Okay, na? Interest formula PTR by 100. P value we don't know in the first case, but T value is 5 years and rate of interest is 6.25 by 100 equals to right side also PTR by 100 simple interest formula. Principal is 1800, time is 5/2, rate is 4 years and 100. So both sides denominator 100 cancel. 2 table in 4 2 times. So only principal value we should find. Transpose 5 into 6.25 this side, it will be divides. Okay, no? So numerator is having 1800 into 5 into 2. Numerator 5, denominator 5 cancel. Now 6.25 just converted into decimal number to fractional number. So 1800 into 2 into 100 by 625. Because 6.25 is nothing but 625 by 100. Both cancel in 5 table here 20 times. 5 table 125 times. Again 5 table 4 times. 5 table 25 times. Okay, now? So let me write one more time. 1800 into 2 into 4 by 25 times. 25 table 100 4 times. So 18 I can write as 18 into 100. 100 4 times. 18 as it is. Okay, na? That is multiply 18 into 4 4s are 16. 16 into 2 32. So 1832s will be the principal of the required value. So multiply 32 table 18 times. So 8 2s are 16. 8 3 is 24 plus 1 25. So 132 is 32. So it is 576. So the required principal amount is 576. Okay, now? Both sides we have to do like this. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, the 13th problem is given. Raju's salary increased by 12.5%. Every year it is increased by 12.5% it seems. And if his present salary is 4,200 rupees. What is the present salary? Present salary is 4,200 rupees it seems. It is increased every year 12.5%. Then his next year salary. That means we should find first 12.5% of 4,200. Increase amount will come now. Then increase amount you can add to 4,200. So 12.5 convert into improper fraction. It is 25/2. Percentage means 100 into 4,200. So denominator 2 zeros, numerator 2 zeros cancel. 2 table in 42 is 21 times. So 25 into 21. So multiply both of them. 25, 525 this value. 525 because 20 into 25. 20 25s are 500 and one more 25, 525. So his next year salary is 4,200 plus 525, 4,725 rupees. Okay, na? So we'll go to the next problem. Yeah, the present cost of house 60,000 rupees. Cost of house is 60,000 rupees and its value increased by 15% in the first year. First year value increased is 15% and the second year the cost would be 20% down. So first year is increasing, second year is decreasing. Down means nothing but decreasing. Okay, na? Yeah, then the cost of house at the end of second year. Now let us take this 60,000 as 100% this year. 60,000 is 100%. First year 15% increases, second year 20% decreases. So at the same time, that means without finding separately for first year, second year, directly we can find the answer. Okay, na? Here, let us consider the 60,000 is 100%. After 1 year, it is increasing 15%. So 100% plus 15% is 115%. So this value 115%. And second year it is decreasing. How much percentage? 20% is decreasing. So present 100% is. Next year 20% decreases means 100 minus 20, 80%. 80%. Okay, na? In the place of percentage symbol, we can write denominator 100. In the percentage symbol, we can write denominator 100. Okay, na? Try to cancel the zeros. So denominator 4 zeros, numerator 4 zeros cancel. So remaining values 6 into 115 into 80. And 6 8s are 48, 480 into 115. So 480 into 115 just multiply. So 48 into 115. I can add the 0 for the last. So 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12 and 9, 920, here 460. Okay, na? So answer is 55,200. 55,200. Yes, please note that. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah. So next problem is a certain sum of money amounts to 1260. Certain sum of, we don't know the sum, but it is given, it is amounts to 1260. That means amount value is given. Amount is nothing but a value. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest combination. Okay, na? Amount is principal plus interest combination. Amount value is 1260 in the time of 2 years. In the time of 2 years and 1350 rupees in the time of 5 years. Again, amount is 1350 rupees in the time of 5 years. This is 2 years. Okay. Then what is the sum and rate of interest? What is the sum and rate of interest? Okay, na? Yeah. 2 years to 3 years difference we find. 2 years to 5 years difference is 3 years. And what is the difference in amounts? 1350 minus 1260. That means in the 3 years, the span of 3 years, how much money is increasing? Let us check. That is here 90. So 90 rupees. For 3 years, 90 rupees. So 1 year, 30 rupees. 3 years increasing 90 rupees. 1 year increases 30 rupees. Okay, na? Now, for 2 years, 60 rupees. 2 years, 60 rupees. Now, amount for 2 years is 1260, no? So, from this 1260, try to subtract 60 rupees for 2 years. Then the principal amount is 1200. Okay, na? Then rate of interest also, rate percent, that means 60 rupees for 1200 means 30 rupees for 1200, 30 rupees for 1200. So rate percent, to find the formula, use this, I is equals to PTR by 100. So I value how much for 1 year? 30 rupees. 1200 time is 1 year, rate we don't know. So cancellation. So 2 zeros cancellation, 30 by 12. So both are cancelled in 3 table, here 10 times, here 4 times, nothing but 2.5 percentage. 10 by 4 is nothing but 2.4 percentage. Problem number 16. Yeah, a student has to secure 40% of marks to pass. How much marks are needed? 40% of marks to pass an examination. And Rama gets 80 marks and fails by 40 marks. He got only 80 marks, but it is failed by 40 marks. That means if he got 40 more marks, he will be passed. That means 120 marks is 40%. And what is the maximum score? Maximum score is nothing but 100%. How many marks for 100%? So more by less into 120. Exactly 3 times. So maximum marks are 300. 100 into 3, 300. Okay, na? Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, Rita borrows 14,600 rupees. Borrows means principal amount, 14,600 rupees. And from her friend at the rate of simple interest at the rate of 12% per annum. 12% per annum rate of interest we know. After 2 years she paid rupees is 15,304 rupees. After 2 years she paid 15,304. That means combination of principal and interest. And what's the clear of debit? What is the cost of the watch? She paid rupees 15,304 and and a watch also. She paid 15,300 rupees plus watch after 2 years. Because she doesn't have money, might be. So she paid the watch also. What is the cost of the watch? Yeah, cost of the watch we should find. Let us identify the amount for rate of 12% on 14,600. Let us find interest first. Principal value P into T into R by 100. So 2 zeros cancel. So what are the values we have? 146 into 2 12s 24. Multiply both of them. 146 with 24. 6 4s 24. 2 16 18 and 5. 584. 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s 8. 8 plus 1 9 and 2 ones are 2. So the answer is 3,504 rupees interest. So amount equals to 14,600 plus 3,504 rupees. So the answer is 18,104. Total amount she has to pay 18,104. But she paid only 15,000 rupees. Subtract 15,000 rupees plus watch, we will get the remaining value. Okay, no? 2,800 rupees is the watch cost. Let us go to the next problem. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Problem number 18. Yeah, that is given that clearly 6,600 is divided into 2 parts. 6,600 is dividing into 2 parts. And so that simple interest on first part is 5 years 6%. This is first part, 5 years time rate is 6%. And is equals to simple interest on second part is time 3 years and rate is 12%. Rate is 12%. Both are equal sims. Then the two parts. What are the two parts? We don't know the two parts. Let us take one of the part x. First part is x. Then second part will be 6,600 minus x. Am I right? Yeah, 6,600 minus x. Now both simple interests are equal. We have already written this type of problem. Interests are equal. So I value we should equate. Let us try. Principal amount x, time is 5 years, rate is 6% by 100. Here principal amount is 6,600 minus x, time is 3 years, rate is 12. Both the denominators are cancelled. Okay, na? So x is equals to 6,600 minus x into 3 into 12 by 5 into 6. Now 6 table here 2 times and 5. Yeah, let me write the 5 here only. And 5 into x 5x, that is equals to 3 to the 6. Multiply with 6. 6 into x 6x and 6 6 are 36, 3 39. 39,600 minus 6x, bring this side, plus 6x, 5x plus 6x value 11x, 39,600. So x value 39,600 by 11. So cancel 11 table, 3,600 rupees. X value we got 3,600. So 6,600 minus x, subtract them. So this is 3,000. Okay. One of the part is 3,000, another part is 3,600. Problem number 19. Yeah. The simple interest is calculated at the rate of 4 pies per 1 rupee. 4 pies per 1 rupee means 4 by 100, 4%. Nothing but rate is 4%. Okay. If the sum is 8,000 rupees, principal amount is 8,000 rupees and deposited is 3 years. Time is 3 years. Then the simple interest is, we need to identify the simple interest. Okay, na? We need to identify the simple interest. Yeah. So I value PTR by 100, 8,000 into time into rate by 100. So 80 into 12, 8 12 is 96. So 960 is our required answer. Let us go to the next problem. Okay. So the problem is, in a class of 80 students, 60 students are passed. How many are passed? 60 students out of 80 students are passed. Okay. Remaining students are in the second. Then the percentage of students who passed in second class. How many are passed? Total 60% are passed. Remaining 20% got second class. That means 60% is 60 people are first class students. So remaining 20 people are second class. So second class is equals to 20 out of 80. Anything convert into percentage, we should multiply with 100. So that is 200 by 8. 4 table, yeah, 4 table here 2 times, 50 times. 50 by 2 is nothing but 25. 8 table 25 times. So 25% of students are passed. Let us go to the next problem. That is, the population of a city is increased by 10%. Every year 10% is increasing. If the present population is 48,400, present population 48,400, and the population 2 years ago, that means every year 10% increases. That means present population, let us take 10%, previous year 90% we should find. Let us find the previous year percentage. Okay, na? Or previous year let us considering as 100%, this year is 90%. Or 2 years back, let us consider that x value is Population is X value. 2 years back population X value. After 1 year it is increasing 10%. That is nothing but 110%. And second year also 10% increases. 110% into that is will be 48,400. Do cancellation. Denominator 2 zeros, numerator 2 zeros cancel. So X value we should find, that is 48,480 into 100 by 11 into 11. Cancel in 11 table. So 11 table, 11 fours 44, 11 ones, 11 fours 44. Okay. So X is equals to try to cancel it in 11 table. 11 fours 44, again 11 fours 44. The decimal values are getting 2 years ago 48,400, sorry, not 48,400 only. So second time I wrote 48,480 I wrote, that's why I did not get. So 11 table here you cancel means exactly 44 times. 111 cancel, so 4400 into 100 by 11, again 4 times, X value 40,000. Okay, that's it for today children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.